Team is finally here. We got the new Ninja Woodfire Oven. We got it in the backyard. We're gonna do a little unboxing. I'm gonna walk you through everything that comes with it. It's about damn time I get this bad boy in my backyard. Let's go, stick around, baby. All right, y'all, you ain't gonna see too much of me in this video. We're going over the new Ninja Woodfire Oven. Obviously, we've done a couple live streams with Kenna's Kitchen, talking about that Ninja Woodfire Oven. I'll put links for those down below if you guys want to check it out. We did a little throwdown with some pizza, and then we did a live when we were talking about the newly released Woodfire Oven. So the first thing we did was get it out of the box. Now this box is pretty dang big. This oven is a lot bigger than the Woodfire grill, okay? It even says Team Lift on it. The first thing you'll see as we take the lid off of this bad boy is the quick start guide, the little packet showing the owner's manual, and a couple other things about the pellets to use in this thing. Same kind of guidelines go as this, with the Ninja Woodfire grill. You're using food safe pellets. You do not have to use Ninja pellets. You can if you want, but you don't have to. In that packet, there's a page on tips and tricks for pizza and what styles, like New York, thin crust, Neapolitan, pan pizza. So that's in there too. That's very helpful. And it actually gives you a how-to on how to make pizza. One thing you'll notice that stuff is not coming with this unit is the pizza pill, the cast iron pan that goes in there, table, the side chair to it, the cover, all those are extra. As always, they come with that quick start guide. This unit is way heavier than the Woodfire grill. I'd say it's a little over 30 pounds. I cannot find in the instructions how much it weighs. I'll look on the website and I'll throw it on the screen if I can find it. In the packaging, you'll see the pizza stone in there. Obviously, you would pull that out of there. With the pizza stone, you want to be very careful with it. You don't want to get it wet. You don't want to put it in the dishwasher. Obviously, you don't want to drop it. It was a challenge to get this unit out of the styrofoam, being myself. So I would adhere to the Team Lift specifics on this one and get someone to help you take it out of the packaging. When you open up the unit, you'll see that there's an actual packing in there, other items to pull out, cardboard, plastic, and then you'll see the roasting pan and the roasting rack that goes on there. We call it the Pro Heat Pan. Premium construction withstands high heat for beautiful caramelization sheet pan meals. Low and slow smoking to max roasting full meals. This oven will heat up to 700 degrees, which is really geared towards the pizza, but you know, heavy duty oven roasting stuff is really good too. You'll notice that the place where you add the pellets is on the side. It's a little easier to flip out than on the Woodfire grill, but you use the same amount of pellets, one little cup full in there. In my box came a little bitty packet of Ninja pellets, but like I said, you could use whatever food safe pellets you got. The cord is twice as long as on the Ninja grill. You can use an extension cord with it. The next question I'll get is, can you use this indoors? And someone will say, if you don't put pellets in there, like, you're gonna make that decision on your own, but the company line is you do not use the outdoor oven indoors. Ninja is very clear about that. So whatever you guys want to do is your choice. The voltage on it's 120. The power is 1760 watts. The pizza stone itself is 12 by 12. It's a squared up pizza stone. Very nice. Has the Ninja logo on it. You can see the heating element that gets it so hot in there, and then the convection fan that blows the heat around. You got the different levels to put the trays in. This rack right here holds the pizza stone and the roasting pan. The door you actually have to kind of give some effort to close. They want to make sure it's shut. It says pull firmly to open. This is the 8-in-1 Woodfire oven. So it has the warm setting, which the lowest it'll go is 105, to the max pizza setting, which is 700 degrees. You have the warm, dehydrate, smoker, bake, broil, specialty roast, max roast, and pizza settings. There are also 5 other pizza settings, I believe. And we'll get into that on our first cook, because you know our first cook's gonna be a pizza. Guys, that is the quick walkthrough on this. I know it's kind of quick, sometimes somewhat jumbled up in there, but I just wanted to give you those little bit pieces that you can see what's going on with the oven, what you're gonna get with just the oven, okay? Now I'm gonna put a link up here to Kenna's kitchen. She's had this for a while and has already done a comparison video between this and the grill, which lays out all the features of each so you can make your decision. I haven't gone that in depth with it. I literally got it today and I wanted to get this out to you guys. So do me a favor, we're gonna do some work on this bad boy, trust me. Hit that subscribe button, be a part of it, all right? I'm just damn excited to finally get it in my hands, and we're gonna do some damage with it for sure. We're gonna do some pizza, 100% the first cook. You just gotta do it, because listen, this thing, the only thing it doesn't do is grill, which is like the wood fire grill does, but it does everything else the wood fire grill does except grill. So we'll do some barbecue in there, obviously some pizza, some roasting, all that stuff you wanna do with that high heat oven. We're gonna get it on the list, all right? So you gotta wanna make sure you're subscribed and ready to tune in on this one. I can't wait to get it fired up, but you're gonna have to wait till the next video, all right? Do me a favor, guys, hit that thumbs up on the way out. If you wanna get one of these wood fire grills, you know your boy's gonna have a link to Ninja down below for it. It's an affiliate link, but it doesn't cost you anything more to use it, right? But it helps out your boy make content like this for y'all. Guys, if you wanna become a show producer, people scrolling across the screen right now, at least a few of them are gonna get this wood fire oven, and they're gonna use my link to get it, right? I just make this up as I go. Anyway, hit that join button right next to the subscribe button, which you should have already hit by now. But other than that, guys, this one's done. Can't wait for the next one. Hope you have a wonderful week. Thanks for stopping by, and thanks for reviewing the oven. We'll see you, Jay. Cheers.